Today's video will teach you how Microsoft Edge Chromium browser user can use Google Chrome themes in new Microsoft Edge. Though we are recording this video on a Windows 10 powered device, but you can follow given instructions for Windows 7 and Windows 8 as well. You can easily install Chrome extension in Microsoft Edge Chromium browser by enabling an option called Allow Extensions from Other Stores. But this is still not possible to install and use Chrome themes. You get an error saying, "There was a problem adding the item to Chrome. Please refresh the page and try again." But it doesn't mean Google Chrome themes cannot be installed and used in new Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. There is an unofficial workaround through which you can apply Chrome themes in Edge Chromium based browser. There is a downside of this method. This method doesn't work for Microsoft Edge Chromium stable version. You will have to switch to Microsoft Edge Canary. Do not worry, nothing changes in Microsoft Edge Canary version. Everything is same. You can import bookmarks, installed extensions, and other things with one click. Download and install Microsoft Edge Canary version. You may download from softsuggester.com. After the installation of Microsoft Edge Canary version is complete, we now need to modify Microsoft Edge Canary's shortcut, so we can install Chrome themes from the Google Chrome Web Store. If you don't find Microsoft Edge Canary's shortcut on the desktop, then you will have to manually locate on Drive C, or any other partition where Windows is installed. Right-click on Microsoft Edge Canary's shortcut, and click Properties. You now need to add this piece of code at the end of the text, in the target field. Click OK to save the settings. Let's move on the next step. You now need to configure your copy of Microsoft Edge to allow the installation of browser add-ons from third-party sources like Chrome Web Store. Click on the Settings button with 3 dots icon. Click Extensions. In Microsoft Edge Chromium's Extensions section, you will find this option on left down side, beneath Developer Mode. Turn it on, and move to the next step. Go to Chrome Web Store, and search for themes and install. There should be no issues. We hope you find this video informative. We would like to hear from you. If you need any help, you can use the comments section for questions and feedback.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.